Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, March 7th. Hope everybody's doing great. I mentioned in my last video that I got a new phone, so that's what I'm recording with, and I did get a microphone, so hoping that it sounds pretty good. So yeah, let's get started with the haul. I've got a bunch of things to share with you. The first store I went to, or that I'm showing you, is Dollar Tree, and I know it's not crafty, but you know, it's kind of crafty in the kitchen. It's a cookbook for the Instant Pot. It's called the Instant Pot Bible Copycat Recipes, and it's an official Instant Pot cookbook. So it was $12.49 somewhere, and it was $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So I was surprised I found anything. The book section was in like complete disarray, but it did have this book, so I was glad to pick it up. So it's got all sorts of different, let's see. Well, it gives you, in the table of contents, like it breaks it down by category, like dips, soups, and pasta and stuff. But then there's also, it breaks it down by a list of the restaurants. So it'll have like, you know, Cracker Barrel's different copycat recipes. And it's all in the Instant Pot, and it has like pictures and stuff. So I thought that was a really great find. So I got that. And then I also got these cool containers. I had seen someone show these a long time ago, and I don't think my Dollar Tree has gotten them until now. But they're travel size bottles in this cool like configuration. So I got it in the aqua and then the pink. And the way they open is you just take the top off, and then there are individual little bottles that fit into this circle shape. And I think you could take them out. Yeah, you could take them out, and they have little like dispenser tops. So I thought that would be really good for when I go away and just, you know, want to bring like a little bit of shampoo and conditioner, body wash, face wash, that kind of thing. And it keeps them all nice and contained like that. And then I also got this nail polish. It's from LA Colors Color Craze. And it comes with a candy scented nail file. They had all sorts of like candy designs. This color came with this design. And the color, I guess, is called Jelly Jelly. And it's like a, I don't know if you could tell, but it's kind of like a glittery or holographic like pink color. So I thought that would be good for like pedicures in the summertime. And I don't really smell anything, but maybe I have to take the wrapper off more. I did get these nails there too. These are LA Colors. They were like gel fake nails, and I bought 2 packs of them because each pack came with 12. I don't think I have the packaging, no, but they're the short length, and I think they're really pretty. So I got those there too. And I think that was it from Dollar Tree. Yep, that was it. I went to Walmart a couple times this week and got a few things. I thought these Easter bags were adorable. These are like the little lunch sack kind of bags. And this one says, "Turn on Spring." And it's got the chicken and the chicks dressed in cowboy hats and cowboy gear. And it's got like, I don't know, looks kind of like, you know, 60s, 70s also. And these were 37 cents. I remember when these were 25 cents. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of this kind too. Look how cute those chicks and the eggs are, and the bunnies. So I thought these would be good for Happy Mail or just gifts at Easter time. So I got those 4. And then I picked up these bags too. These are treat bags with twist ties, and these were $2.08 for 20 pieces. And look at the print on those. Isn't that cute, with the hedgehogs and the bunnies and the carrots and the bunnies in different poses? And they're yellow too, so I just thought these were adorable. So I picked those up too. And then I used some of this already. This is paper Easter grass, and this was just 50 cents. And I needed some Easter grass for a project I'm working on for Scrap Diva Designs. And I like this kind because it's paper. The cellophane kind just sticks everywhere and drives me nuts. So I got this, and it's working out perfect for what I wanted that for. And that comes in different colors in the Easter section. I also got this. Let me know if you guys have used this before. This is a 12 by 12 pack of solid color papers. It's by Colorbach, and it's the pastel variety. It's textured cardstock, archival quality, 30 sheets, 10 colors, 3 of each. So, oh, did I forget to open that? Hold on one second. Let me open this. All right, so I got the tape off. So these are 66.5-pound paper, so approximately 65-pound, I guess, because it's 180 GSM. And I liked it because it's nice and textured. Let me hold it up so you can see. Not as textured as basil cardstock, but it is still textured. And the colors seem different to me. Like this is a nice muted purple, kind of mauve-y, So there's 3 of those, 3 of this color, which is definitely like a mushroomy type of color. I'd like it. Interesting, something you don't really see all the time. And then there's this like dusty blue color. It's gorgeous. Such a pretty blue. And maybe they just changed the packaging or the cover on the paper pad because I don't remember it. And then there's this pretty blue too. Sorry, I'm just trying to, okay. Leave it like that. And then there's a soft, like sagey green color. And then this is like a spring green. Still trying to figure out my phone. I like my phone. It's an iPhone 16 Pro. I used to have the 11 Pro, so thought it was time to upgrade. Plus, I kept running out of space on my other phone. White, which is really nice to have. Sometimes you just need white 12 by 12s, and it's nice that it's textured too. Sorry. And then we have this really pretty yellow color and orange. And let's see what else. Pink, nice like bright pink, kind of matches the pink of my vinyl, a little bit brighter. And the last, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, nice paper pad. And the best part about it, it was $4.97. So, that is a great price, I thought, for that. So see how that goes. I love my solid paper pads, as you guys know. And then, I also got a thing of foam board, the Pen & Gear foam board. It's in the, I didn't bring it over because it's just so big. It's a big sheet of it for like $2. And I use that for my shakers. All right, and then I went to Hobby Lobby this morning to see what they had, because Easter is 40% off now. I don't think I got anything Easter. No, I didn't. I got some clearance things and then some other random things. I picked up these transparent art bags. These are in like the fine art section. This was $2.29 for 25 of them, and this is 4.3 by 6.2 inch. So I thought this was kind of a unique size. It's not too big, not too small, so it's nice to have different sizes in your stash for different projects. I picked up these. I think it was Nicole, Vagabond Crafter, who showed these, right, Nicole? Hi, Nicole. These are popsicle sticks in the bakery section, and they're acrylic. They're $4.99, but it says on the sign that baking stuff is always 50% off, so I guess they were $2.50. And these you have to remove the protective film from front and back prior to use. So it comes with all these different colors. Is this resealable? I don't think so, but let's open this up and we can take a look at them. So I thought this would be great for summer paper crafting projects. I don't see myself making actual popsicles with them, but for paper crafting. I really like this like turquoise color. And they had a pack that was just like gold glitter, and then they had another pack that was just clear. And then there's this greenish one, purple, blue. I think that's it, right? Yeah, I think that's it. So these are really nice, and oops, dropped one. They'll be good, hopefully, for some summery paper projects. I will pick that one up later. So there's that. And then I also got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. I picked this up. This was on an end cap over by the Kids Crafts. This is like stuff that you would put in slime and like add to sensory crafts, but you could also add it to resin crafts, glue to projects. It was originally $7.99. It was reduced half price to $3.99. So I like the little packs of clay bits that they have. There's like fruit ones here, if you could see. I'm not going to open this up right now. These are glow-in-the-dark stars. Here are cute little treats. There's candy corn, there's peppermints, popsicles, sushi even. And then those cute little like gemmies. I think it's just, no, it looks like there's pink and clear and purple in there. And then there are these like gems too. What do they call those? Bubble mix, I guess. Those are all the different things it comes with. And then it comes with 2 cupcake shapes, 3 lollipop shapes, and 2 colors of foam balls. So they're the lollipop cabochons, super cute, and the cupcakes, I love those. The foam balls, I think those are really staticky, so you'd have to like rubber dryer sheet on them or something before you add them to projects. So I didn't get this for that, but I did get them for everything else. So they had different varieties too. Some of them were on clearance, some of them were not. And then I got this, which was in the Cricut section. And this is a cover for your Cricut or die cut machine. So this was reduced half price from $9.49 to $4.74. And it only came in this one color that I saw, heather gray. And it's got pockets on it too. So this would be great for my new vinyl cutting machine from Locklick. And I was wondering like how I was going to keep dust and stuff off it. I was considering making my own cover, but for $4.74, I thought this was just a great alternative. So they're just pockets on the one side, and yeah, it's really, really nice. Just, basic gray. It's got nice quilting detail on the pockets. So I got that. And then I think that was it from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I did get an order in from a Cherry on Top. One day last week, they were having a no minimum spend for free shipping. So I picked up just a couple of things that I wanted. So Lawn Fawn just had a new release. So I picked up a few of the paper items. It's called Bitsy Blooms, and this is the 6x6 inch petite paper pack. I love Lawn Fawn papers. I love their petite prints. They just go with so many different projects. So this is 36 sheets of fun, 12 coordinating designs. So let me just take you through a quick little flip through of these. I think they're just single-sided. And look at the design. So this is pink, and it's got white daisies with yellow inside. Yeah, single-sided. And then there's the pink plaid, cute little yellow flowers. They're just very kind of like calico prints, I think. More plaids. The green is just so cute and cheerful. I really feel like these papers go well with Doodlebug papers. That's cute too. The teal with the daisies. And so it's pretty much, I think, just the same thing, but just different colors. That blue is really pretty. And there's the plaid. Here's the multicolor. So fun for spring and summer. That plaid too. And then it just repeats and you get 3 of each. So I picked up that, and then I got the big collection pack too, which is the 12 by 12. And then this is double-sided papers with 12 coordinating designs. So let's take a look at this. When I just looked at it recently on a Cherry on Top, it looks like they'd sold out of the 6x6, but maybe they'll restock it. And I'm sure other places have it too. So this is the big one, and just to compare it to the small one, in case you're wondering, the scale difference, that's what it is. So, bigger scale for bigger projects, that sort of thing. And then the back just has the coordinating plaid. So I think this has, let's see, it's got the yellow. That yellow is so pretty, isn't it? Does it have 2 of each? Probably. Yeah, it looks like 2 of each. So pretty. Yep. All right. So that was it from a Cherry on Top. I'm just waiting for all the new collections to come out this month. The new Maggie Holmes, Paige Evans, all those pretty collections. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, you could go to a Cherry on Top and go to pre-orders and look and see what's coming in March. And I'm not pre-ordering them, but I'm just, keeping an eye on when they're coming into stock. And then, I'm sure I'll order some of those. So that was it from a Cherry on Top. And I think that's all I have in my haul for this week. Oh, I also got a really cute mat, for like a anti-fatigue mat for the kitchen from Hobby Lobby, and it was 40% off because it was a spring shop. I'll try to remember to put a picture up here, but it's so cute. It's got chickens on it, and it'll be so cute in the kitchen. So yeah, that is it. I will have a new Scrap Diva Designs video out probably tomorrow, because I I have all my projects made. I just have to get everything organized and, get ready to make the video. So looking forward to showing you guys new projects I made, such cute Eastery and spring projects. And yeah, that is about it. So let me know what you guys are up to. I'm waiting for my KS craft package to come into. Looking forward to crafting with that. And that's it for today. So thanks again for watching. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about this haul and what you're up to this weekend too. So, all right, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye, everyone.